Hello everyone, welcome back to my maths lesson. Before we can start, can you help me with something? I seem to have a listening rule that is missing. I usually have 4, but I've only got 3. That means I have 1 less. Can we go through them and you see if you know which one is missing? Great. Good listening is sitting still. Good listening is staying quiet. And good listening is listening to all of the words. Have you spotted which one is missing? You're right! Looking at the person who's talking. That's really important. If you was looking behind you as I was talking to you, you might miss what I'm saying. It is really important that you look at the person who is talking. Let's go through the rules again. Good listening is sitting still. Are you all sitting still? Good listening is staying quiet so that you can hear me. Good listening is looking at the person who's talking. And finally, good listening is listening to all of the words. Before we can start, we need to wake our brains up. So get ready for a number warm-up.
Hey, so how many cookies you got right there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No,
You don't know how to count?
I never learned.
Now I got this shit. Let me show you. Show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. Isn't it funny how numbers help me count? Help me count. Help me count. Yeah, numbers help me count. Help me count. Help me count. Come on. Show you. Show you. Show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. Isn't it funny how numbers help me count? Help me count. Help me count. Yeah, numbers help me count. Help me count. Help me count. Come on. Show you. Show you. Show you.
Fantastic counting. Here's a dojo point for all the children who joined in. For another dojo point, can you remember what this week's learning objective was? This week's learning objective was to find 1 less. We found 1 less from 5 objects and then 1 less from 10 objects. Here's your dojo point. We are going to play a game together to help us find 1 less. Before we start our game, let's run through the steps to success. First, we need to look. Next, we need to count. After that, we need to take 1 away. And finally, we need to check how many we have by counting. On my screen, I have some bubbles. We need to count them and then find 1 less. Are you ready? The first step to success is to look at the bubbles. The next one is to count them. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see number 4 on the number line? Point to it. Now we want to find out what is 1 less than 4. I'm going to press on the little girl because she is going to pop one of our bubbles for us. Are you ready? She has popped a bubble, so that is 1 less. How many do we have now? Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3. Where is number 3 on the number line? If you think you know, point to it. Fantastic. 1 less than 4 is 3. Do you notice how we are going down the number line? Let's play that again. How many bubbles have been blown? Ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you find number 6 on the number line? Brilliant. Now we're going to pop one bubble to find one less. How many bubbles do we have now? We need to check by counting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you find 5 on the number line? Great job. Let's play one more time. How many bubbles have been blown? Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you find 9 on the number line? Good job. Now let's pop one to find one less. One bubble has popped. Let's count them to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 less than 9 is 8. Can you find 8 on the number line? Great job. Did you notice every time we found one less, we jumped once down the number line? That's because we are taking 1 away. When we take numbers away, the numbers get smaller. What fantastic mathematicians you are. You have been finding 1 less. Now let me show you how I find 1 less at home.
First, I create a selection of numbers to help me pick a number. Next, I mix them up and then select one from the top. I have selected number 8. I need to find 1 less than 8. To help me find 1 less than 8, I am going to draw 8 planets. The shape of a planet is a circle. Can you help me count my planets? I need to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to check that I've got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to find 1 less than 8. To help me find 1 less than 8, I'm going to cross out 1 planet. Then I'm going to count my planets again to see how many I have left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 less than 8 is 7. Let's play again. I'm going to select a card. Number 4. I'm going to draw 4 planets. 1, help me count. 2, 3, 4. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 planets. I need to find one less than 4. I'm going to cross one planet out. Now it's time to check by counting. 1, 2, 3. 1 less than 4 is 3.
Your challenge at home is to create your very own number cards. You can create number cards up to 10, up to 20, or bigger. You could even use the interactive dice. Once you've created your number cards, turn them over and pick one from the back. Have a go at drawing the right amount of planets and then finding one less by crossing one out. I can't wait to see some of your work, so please send me some photos. Have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow.